Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the DW World, and thank you for coming back to join us in this very special day. Today is the 13th of March, Friday, as people say, Friday the 13th, but this is a truly lucky day for me because right from day one that we started this YouTube channel, that was last month, 14th of February, and that's exactly just 1 month ago, over 30 days. And today we have clocked more than 1,000 subscribers. Yes, 1,000 subscribers. Well, the figure is still not big, all right, compared to many other successful YouTubers, but I truly want to thank the support from all of you and the enthusiasm for following us. All right, then moving forward, we promise you that we are going to do better videos, better contents, not only on investment, financial market, or anything on financial instruments, but also on all those things that have been around us in our daily living. And we hope that we can share more knowledge and fun with all of you. Okay, today we are going to cover very quickly and very shortly just on one very important topic, okay, which is the stock market crash 2020 part 2. Yes, part 2. Listen up, part 2. Is this real or fake? Okay, as we know, the whole world is now moving into a panic sentiment. Panic, all right, and people are all worried about coronavirus, and the pandemic spread has gone into the Europe, US, so people are worrying. And unfortunately, Dow Jones has fallen from the record top side from about 29,600, barely about 3 weeks ago, a month ago. Yeah, that's a month ago. And last night it went down to 21,200 bottom. All right. If you calculate, that's about, that's about close to 8,000 points. Okay. And in percentage wise, it is 28%. So everybody is wondering or talking about, the Dow Jones market has started to go into a bear market, and the big bear, the big hairy bear is coming. Okay, is this really a bear or it is just a correction? All right, I've been faced with a lot of such queries, and today, very quickly, I'm going to tell you and share with you my point on what is going to happen. Stay tuned. All right, coming back here, we are talking about will Dow Jones market rebound. All right, first of all, we have to understand if you look backward, all right, do some research on the last 100 years on any market, okay, any market index, any market instrument, any market commodities. And if you look at that, every instrument that started to reverse and go up from the bottom or reverse that come down from the top, okay, it is a very typical movement that all instruments start to come down or go up in 3 waves and then going into 5 waves. 5 waves, okay. So to keep it simple, follow me. For example, at the top 39,600, right? If Dow Jones is a move down, it's going to move in this way. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. And we call 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's not talk about 4 and 5. That's going to be like 2 years later. All right. From the bottom, if any market were to reverse up, it's going to do up like, it's going to move in this wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. 1, 2, 3, or we call it ABC. All right. So what we are seeing now in the Dow Jones market is it has fallen in a straight line in a losing streak over like more than 10 days, okay, all the way from the top to the bottom. Is there a 3 wave that you have seen? No, exactly no. So this is only the wave 1. And in all market, as I mentioned, over the last 100 years, the biggest wave and the most disastrous, the longest wave and the most fearful and the most powerful wave is the third wave, not the first wave. First wave is always just the beginning. So we have two conclusions here. Two conclusions. Listen up. First thing is, since Dow Jones has come off in just first wave over 28%, all right, we are quite sure, and in fact 90% sure that Dow Jones has started to move into a bear market. But that's not all. All right, we are just at the beginning, just scratching the top. All right, so it has gone into a new bearish market, but it is not going to make a crash now. All right, because we are right at the bottom of the wave 1 now, as I mentioned earlier. Last night it touched 21,200, and very quickly we are going to start rebounding, going back into wave 2, okay, or we call the B wave. And how long will this last? Well, in our analysis and our forecast, we believe that it's going to last anywhere 3 to 4 months. and going into third wave at a later part, probably over the year end and over the presidential election in the US economy. And the third wave is the longest and the scariest of all. All right, so we are only at the end of wave one. Okay, so if you still ask me, is this real or fake? It depends how you look at it. But I would call any market big bullish trend or bearish trend a real one only when the third wave starts. Okay, the third wave starts, and now we're just at wave one, remember that. All right, so this video is just to give you a quick update on where we are now, and not to worry, don't be afraid, all right, because Dow Jones is going to rebound very soon. And of course, the whole idea is to thank all of you again for joining us. And we have clocked more than 1,000 subscribers just barely over 1 month. And time to celebrate again. This is a French wine, all right, 2011 superb wine, red wine. Okay, you see that? Okay, time to celebrate, and I'm going to enjoy my drink. See you again. Thank you.